Welcome. Today, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to mark a group as read on the Telegram app for PC, using the latest update. First, open the Telegram app on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once inside, find the group chat that you want to mark as read in your chat list. Next, hover your mouse over the group name. When you do this, you'll see a small downward arrow appear to the right. Click on this arrow to open a drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can simply right-click on the group name itself to bring up this menu. In the menu, look for the option labeled Mark as Read and click on it. Just like that, all the unread messages for that group will be marked as read, clearing any notification badges and helping you keep your chats organized. This feature is especially useful if you're part of busy groups with lots of messages and you want to clear notifications without opening each message one by one. It lets you maintain a clean and distraction-free Telegram interface on your PC. If you want to mark other groups or chats as read, just repeat the same process. Find the group, hover, or right-click, and select Mark as Read. With this new update, managing your Telegram messages on PC has never been simpler or more efficient. No more red notification dots crowding your chat list. You stay up to date with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching.